for culture diversity for dialogue and development. Three-quarters of the world's major conflicts have a cultural dimension. Bridging the gap between cultures is urgent and necessary for peace, stability, and development. In December 2002, the UN General Assembly, in its resolution 57 by 249, declared May 21 to be the World Day for Cultural Diversity for Dialogue and Development. Declared May 21 to be the World Day for Cultural Diversity for Dialogue and Development. Cultural diversity is a driving force of development not only with respect to economic growth but also as a means of leading a more fulfilling intellectual, emotional, moral, and spiritual life. This is captured in the 7 culture conventions which provide a solid basis for the promotion of cultural diversity. Thank you for your valuable time and see you on the next video. Bye.